everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy tip to get the fashion wave tokens in Heartopia. In this latest update, we can get special winter items, but to buy them we need special winter event tokens that may be also known as a fashion wave tokens. And there are two main ways to get them. First, by completing winter quests, but if you want a faster and easier method, you can sell item to NPC Azure. This one is NPC, and here's how. Just go to the Onsen mountain and find this NPC, and then just talk to her. Tap fashion wave, and then tap on sell items. This one, and then just pay attention here. There are two selling conditions: double procurement, double price, and then the normal price or regular price. For the double price items, there are two specific item types that you can sell. Just keep in mind these items are maybe different for each player, so always check your own list. And this double price item list will reset every week on Saturday. And by selling these selected items, you will get double higher rewards or double higher coins. And then on my case, I can get the double price for apple frosted pancake and then frostburg ocean fish, this one. And then next, you can also get double price by selling to other players, like this. But I will cover that in another videos. For now, we focus on selling to NPC Azure. And then next, you can also sell other items at normal price. The item list is shown here, this one. Just sell these items, but remember each item has a selling limit, so watch out over here. And then next, just prepare the required item, collect as many as you can, and then just sell them to Azure. For example, I want to sell the apple frosted pancake, this one. And this one, like this, you will get the coins. And then next, just simply tap on sell, like this. You will get the fashion wave tokens that you can use to buy special winter items. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.